Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to work with Docker. We will cover basic and most important commands in this video. First of all, we need to install Docker on our workstation. Now we need to set up our environment. We need to add Docker group to our user. And also we need to enable Docker. Now we need to reload our server. Without it, we will get this error. Now we can start to work with Docker. The first command I want to show you is docker ps. As you can see, there are no running containers now. The next command shows images from which we can create containers. And also no one, as you can see. I'm going to download a Nginx image for this demonstration. We're using the pull command for getting images. Pay close attention, we downloaded an image, not a container, and now we're going to create a container based on this image. As you can see on this screen, we have only one image and no one container. I'm going to use tmux for split the screen for better understanding. Below I will demonstrate the running containers, and I'm going to work above. Now I am going to run a Nginx container and we will see it below. We're using run command if we need to run new container. We ran this container and this container attached our console. If we interrupt it, we will finish the main process inside our container, and our container will be exited. Docker ps shows running container only. But if you want to see everyone containers, you need to add key-a. If we repeat this docker running command, we will create another container. Now I am interrupting our second container and we will have two containers with status exited. Now I am going to run detached container. This container is running in the background. Sometimes we need to delete container right after detaching. In this case, we need to add --rm to our command. As you can see, the container was removed immediately after interrupting. If we need the container to start automatically after reboot, we must add --restart always to the command. Now we have two containers in the up status and two containers in the exited status. Now I'm going to restart Docker. As you can see, now we have only one container in up status, because this container has an additional flag restart always. If we execute docker ps command, we will only see it. There is also another useful command, docker ps -q. We will get only IDs of running containers. Now I will show you a really useful combination of commands. We already know about ps-q, and now we will try ps-qa to get the ID of each container. I'm going to delete every exited container. As you can see, we cannot delete running container with this command. If we also want to remove running containers, we need to add force flag. Now I will show you how to expose Docker port. We need to add flag -p, and we need to provide our ports 80 and 80 in our case. I'm going to install curl for checking an access to this container. Now we can check an access to this container. Everything looks good, and we also can check it in browser. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, put thumbs up, and see you in the next video.